So as I said in my last video, I wanted to do a video of me riding this for you all because I've had some requests for that. So this is what this video is going to be. I was going to get a GoPro, and then I actually looked at how much they cost, and I thought it's hard to justify. So I've come up with an alternate solution and hope it works well. Here we go. It's a 40-mile-an-hour road, and I'm already at 40. Hopefully it's not too wonky. Slow down, 20-mile-an-hour road. So it's a very quiet ride. Really the only thing you hear is a bit of wind noise and a bit of, you hear the electric motor winding up a bit. But it's nice, there's no vibrations coming through that you get with a petrol motor or gasoline motor. You get a two-stroke vibration. Smooth, quiet, comfortable, and quick. This Ferrari. So obviously one thing that you have to be careful of when riding this is just that you don't surprise pedestrians, because obviously they can't hear you coming. So they should be a bit more aware how others might perceive you. Before my conversion, that was never an issue because it was so damn loud, everyone could hear me coming. So now you gotta just be careful not to sneak up on people. One other minor disadvantage is if you are filtering or lane splitting, which is legal in the United Kingdom. If you're on a petrol bike, then obviously you can just rev the engine and alert people that you're approaching. You can't do that with this. So, look at that thing. Jeez. But really, those are the only two disadvantages. Otherwise, it's all good. I reckon that will be just about enough for this video. So, hope you guys enjoyed that. So, if you're curious about what I use to film that, I don't have a GoPro. I decided couldn't really justify the investment right now. So instead, I paid £9 for this helmet strap, and took my old Android and put it on that. It already has a cracked screen, so I figured, well, if it did fall, then it's not the end of the world. But yeah, it worked all right. And I used some earbuds with that, and I think it worked out okay. So for those of you who don't really want to invest in a GoPro and want to do something like I just did, this is a much cheaper option. It looks ridiculous, but it works.